This is Maglr, an interactive publishing platform with which you can create the wildest interactive web pages. Think landing pages, product presentations, visual storytelling pages, anything you'd like to visually showcase on the web.
Except static stuff.
Except static stuff. It's built for designers, creative developers, marketers, and anyone who's just done with document formats that weren't made to be shared in the first place.
Like PDFs.
Like PDFs. Anyway, in the editor, you can create literally anything.
That's not true.
Little nuance. Anything you want moving, animated, clickable, hoverable.
Is that a word?
Or simply just visible. Choose a template or start with a blank canvas. Simply drag and drop your content exactly where you want it to be. Yes, you heard that right. You have full creative freedom to position your elements anywhere you like. Even outside of the canvas if you want to hide your elements from people with small screens.
Hey.
Then make it truly entertaining. With features like videos that play while scrolling, keyframe animations, and custom interactions. All without needing a single line of code. Even create a separate mobile version to optimize for all that juicy mobile traffic. And on top of that, everything can be fully optimized for SEO and WCAG accessibility. Combine your pages into a single document you can easily slide or swipe through. Let your audience navigate manually to stackable subpages, or treat every page separately, simply by selecting one of the available publication types in Maglr. And the best thing? Everything is published and available online by clicking just 2 simple buttons. Publish a preview and generate a secure link to gather feedback, or publish live when you're ready to share it with the world.
Some people don't want to do that though.
Or enable one of the available security options and share it only with specific people. Works great for some of those more internal documents. Published projects are available on their own custom domain. Or you can generate a code from the dashboard and embed them directly on your website. Might sound difficult, but it's actually just copying and pasting. See, there's even a big green copy button to make it easier for you. And of course, you want to know how it all performs. That's why we have beautiful, real-time statistics placed directly in the dashboard. Analyze every project, every page, every interaction. And it's all privacy-friendly too, which is probably a good thing. Or if you want, you can connect Maglr to your favorite marketing tools, like Google Analytics, HubSpot, or Google Tag Manager. Try it out yourself. Just request a trial or plan a personal demo so we can answer all of your burning questions live. And if you need help, we're available through the personal live chat in our dashboard. No chatbots involved. You can even see our little faces in the chat window. It's literally us you're talking to. We like to keep things personal. Really personal. There are also many articles and videos available to help you explore the platform at your own pace. And did I mention the trial is free? Yeah, you don't even need a credit card. Just request it via the website and we'll send you a link to get started. And if you don't like it, after 14 days the trial just ends and nothing happens. We don't want you to stop there though. Ida?
Just head on over to Maglr.com and get going.
No time to waste. We'll see you there.